Hey, this is Doug with Atlanta Power Clean, and we're making this video to show you our latest piece of equipment. This is a surface area cleaner, pretty close to all the others, except for this one has got a vacuum port on it right here that allows us to reclaim water. For instance, at gas stations or parking decks or wherever needed. Actually, if you've got a patio that you can't get everything else wet around there. And what it's hooked up to is this enormous vacuum that's actually got 3 filters. It's got a 100 micron filter inside of it. It's got a 40 micron filter right here. And right there in that blue area, that's a 5 micron filter. 5 microns, going down, cleaning the water down to 5 microns is good enough anywhere in the United States. Now, if you don't even want it that dirty, which is really not that dirty, we can always put it up onto the truck and recycle it further and just keep using the same water. This is one of our pressure washing units. That's a steam unit. Inside that cylinder there is 150 foot of iron coil, and with a burner on it that's just creating 260 degree water. So right now we're going to show you what this thing does. Step back over there. Okay, so you can see it does a good job, but what you may not know is that machine on the truck is pumping 6 gallons a minute. So in this little area, we've pumped 12 to 15 gallons of water. Literally, there's nothing left behind. There's a little bit here and there because of the different bevels, and that's always going to be there. Good enough for any type of water reclamation, though. Now, obviously, if you're at a gas station or a parking deck, there's going to be chewing gum, and we've got special tools for that. If it's interior tile or grout, we've got special tools that get in the corners and everything like that. Here's the machine again. There's the vacuum, and there's the truck.